Hello friends, meet again with me. In this video, we will create a neon text effect in Inkscape. Actually, I have experimented on GIMP before, and the result it worked. In the future, I will create a neon text effect tutorial in GIMP. So there are two options later on, in GIMP and in Inkscape. Let's see the design here. Okay, here is the text of, sorry, here is neon text effect. We see here there is inner glow, outer glow, and drop shadow. Here we will make it manually without using filters. It might actually be able to create a neon text effect with filters. However, since I rarely use filters, so we will use fill and stroke, and also I provide a background brick texture here only as a complement only. Okay, alright. Open your Inkscape. Here I import texture files. Import, and I choose brick wall and click open and click OK. And then I resize this texture. Click key icon and resize with number 1620 pixels and click enter. Okay. Enable snapping, snap bounding box, and snap bounding box corners, and click a rectangle object with this icon from handle to corner to handle to corner. Here I give a black color with opacity is 95. Okay. And then create a text object. Here I type Inkscape, and for font family I choose Quicksand. Quicksand. And for font size is 80. Here I give a yellow 100. Here I use a material color palette. And then select with rectangle object with hold shift and open all and distribute. For relative to we choose last selected and make center. Click center on vertical axis and horizontal axis. Okay, click text object and then open fill and stroke, and then give a blur effect with number 1.2. and then duplicate this text object, duplicate, because we will create a inner glow effect. And then blur is 0 and give a yellow color, yellow 900. Open fill and stroke, enable stroke paint, and for stroke style is 9 pixels. Give a yellow 900 with hold shift. Open stroke paint, and for likeness fill with number 58. Click lower selection one step. Okay. And then next we will create a outer glow effect. Duplicate this object enable stroke pen and no fill, and blur is 0. For stroke style is 60 pixels, and give a yellow color, yellow 600 with hold shift, and then give blur effect, fill with number 20, and for opacity is 20. Click lower selection one step. Sorry. Okay. And then next we will create a drop shadow. Duplicate this object. Duplicate. Enable stroke pen and no fill. For stroke style is sorry, I mean 9 pixels. Give a black color and then move with arrow on the keyboard. Oh yeah, blur is 0, and click lower selection one step and click again. Okay. Opacity, fill with number 30 or 40. 40. Okay, and the next step you will create a rectangle object with corner like this. Create with this icon and resize with number 640 and 180. Sorry. Enable stroke pen and no fill. Stroke pen give a white color, and for RY section fill with number 90. Okay, select with text object and then open align distribute. Click center on vertical axis and horizontal axis. Here I give a pink color for strokes pen. Hold shift, pink 100. And the next, for inner glow, you must duplicate this object. Sorry. Open fill and stroke, and for stroke style is 4 pixels. And then you can create inner glow effect with duplicate, and change for stroke style. For width section fill with number 12, and for color is pink 800 with hold shift. Okay, and then click lower selection one step, open fill and stroke, and for stroke pen, for likeness section fill with number 58, and then duplicate with Ctrl D. Sorry. Click this object because you must give a blur effect. Blur is 0.6. Okay, and then you can duplicate this object. Duplicate with Ctrl D. for stroke style, for width section, fill with number 40, and then give a ping 800. Okay, give a blur effect with number 15, and for opacity is 90. Okay, click lower selection one step and click again. Duplicate this object. Duplicate with Ctrl T, because we will create a drop shadow, and then give a black color, and then move with arrow key on the keyboard. And then click lower selection one step and click again, and for opacity is 40. And finally, we have create a neon text effect in Inkscape. You can add an outer glow by duplicate this object. Duplicate, and then you can resize like this. And don't forget, click lower selection one step. Okay. I think this is enough. If anything goes wrong, I am sorry. If you are still confused, just ask through the comment field below. Thanks for watching this video, and see you later on the next video.